Hi guys, I made a quick and easy flipbook here, and I've called it a tag style endless flipbook because how it works is that every time you flip the book it just doesn't end. So as you can see, it looks like a tag, and then what you do is you just open it up and you get this page, and then you turn it over and you get this page, turn it over, you get the next page, turn it back and you're back to the front, and you just sort of just keep flipping and flipping and flipping. That's why I've called it an endless style tag flipbook. So I'm also going to show you how to make one of these yourself. There might be other YouTubers out there that have also made something similar to this as well. I'm not too sure, but this is my take on it. And what I've done here is I used a few of my journaling cards as well to embellish the book. And what I did was this one here has a journaling card, and then I just layered that with some of my paper punched embellishments. I also made this crepe style rosette to put in the on the center, and this is a hello die cut using some gold foil paper, and then I just added some trim on the top, and each tag page has a trim. So that's your first page. And then the next page I added a pocket here, and I added some die cuts, some stickers and some flat back pearls. So that's how that page looks like. So they go in there. And the next page I've just embellished the next page with some vellum paper with Beauty is an Attitude, and then that's also a journaling card that I've just cut out and shaped it like into a banner on the back, and then some gold trim on the top there. The next page I've got a paper doily and a coin pocket using one of my dies, and in there I've added some tags, and these are just paper flowers that I fussy cut out of my 12x12 paper, and another vellum Hello Gorgeous. The next page has two little envelopes, and that has some goodies in there, and this also has some goodies in here as well, and there's some trim on the top of that one. And this is another page that I just embellished, again using just a journaling card of mine. Added some gold sequins and a fussy cut another flower out of one of my other 12x12 paper. And then you're back to the front. And that's just a quick and easy project if you wanted to make some quick happy mail. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to make one of these. But before I do that, I want to also quickly show you how you can make one of these little crepe paper rosette style. So to make this, all you need is, I use a roll. Well, I purchased this crepe paper from my local party shop, and it measures 2 inches wide. And all you do is you just cut a strip about 6 inches, about that much, and you'll just need another little tiny strip of your some scrap paper, around about maybe 1/8 of an inch wide. So you'll need that. That will be your centerpiece. And all you need to do is just sort of fold it towards your thumb, just like that, all the way till you get to the very end, just making sure that they sort of stay lined up, and just keep going. And then you just need some glue. Once you get to the end like that, just hold it down with your thumb, and I'm just going to use some of my glue dot. Sorry, I'm just going to grab it so you can see what I mean. So I'll just grab a bit of glue dot here. Just do that. And then all you do is just wrap it around the center like that to hold it in place. And then just trim off your little excess bit. And then just spread out the crepe paper that you've just folded, and then you get yourself a nice rosette style embellishment ready for you to add to your projects. And here's another one that I made. So that's another one. So that's just a quick little project for you if you wanted to make that. Now to make the flip book, all you need is you'll just need some double-sided paper or any decorative paper, and you will cut it at 6 inches by 10.5 inches. So you cut it 6 inches by 10.5 inches, and then you just need your scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, that's okay. All you have to do is just fold it so that you get 3 even panels. So with this one, all you need to do is on your 10.5 inch side, you'll score it at 3.5. Sorry, yep, 3.5 all the way down, and 7 inches. And that's all you need to do there. And we just fold that. You just need to fold once the right side towards or back towards you, and then the other one just what do you call it, if you fold it back, so you have that sort of a shape. So that's what you need to do there. And then the next step is we are going to cut these angles out so it looks like a tag. Very easy. Just grab your scissors and you just need to cut one corner out like that, and hold on to that piece because you will need to use that as a template to go onto the other side. So you just bring that over like that. You only need one actually, you don't need two. So you just need to go like that and put that on that side, and then just using the same way, just cut that into an angle like that, and then you will get your angled corners so it looks like a tag. And then just punch a hole on the top using your hole punch. This is my We Are Memory Keepers hole punch, and then just eyeball your center if you wanted to, or you can mark it out. I'll just eyeball it, and then you get that. So then you get that look. Actually, it's this way. Oh, sorry, it's that way. Okay, sorry, because you want it to open that way, so it doesn't really matter, just like that. So that's how you make your the base of this in this flip book. So there's your front, and then you get to the next page, a bit of marking there, and then the next, and so on. So give that a go. I think it was fun to make, and you can use all your scrap papers to embellish it, add some trim, and yeah, give that a go. And I hope you enjoyed my quick tutorial and project share. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and also click on the bell if you want to see more of my craft and get the notification. Thank you for watching.